Hello everyone, my name is Ian Lamont. I'm the author of Google Drive and Google Docs in 30 minutes. Today I'm going to be talking about the mobile app for Google Sheets on iOS, which could be an iPhone or an iPad, and how to convert a Google Sheets file to an Excel file within the Google Sheets app. And this is how you do it. I'm looking at the most recent files in my Google Sheets application. You'll see one of them at the top there is iMac versus MVP. Next to it are three little dots. Tap on that. Those three dots mean the more actions that you can take. And the first thing that you'll see at the very top there is save as excel.xlsx. So I'm going to tap that. And what it's doing is it's converting the document from Sheets into Excel and then opening it up. And if you want to make sure that you're in the right document, so just open up the spreadsheet. It doesn't show the title at the top. In the upper right corner are three dots. Tap that. And it will show the name of the file, iMac versus MVP.xlsx Office Compatibility Mode. This file is in Excel format. So you know that you are working with the Excel version of the file, not the Sheets version of the file. And the Google Sheets application actually lets you do some limited editing of the spreadsheet, the Excel spreadsheet, and you can start to mess around with that. And I have some other videos that show you how to get the most out of that. For more information on Google Sheets, how to use the application, both the mobile version as well as the desktop version, check out my book, Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes, available from in30minutes.com. And thank you so much for watching.